In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Wise account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look out for, and how to make sure the process goes smoothly without surprises. First, sign into your Wise account on the web. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your name or profile icon there. Click it to open your account menu. This is where Wise keeps your personal and account settings, so it's the right place to start. From that menu, head into the Actions and Agreements section. Inside, you'll find an option labeled Close Account. This is the control you'll use to permanently delete your Wise account. If you click into it right now, you might notice you can't proceed yet, and that's by design. Before you can close the account, you need to completely empty it. That means withdrawing all your money so your balances are zero. Take a moment to transfer any remaining funds back to your bank or to another destination you control. If you hold money in multiple currencies, convert what you need and move it out so nothing is left behind. It's also worth checking for small leftover amounts in any sub-balances or features, like jars, as those count too. Make sure there are no pending transfers, chargebacks, or scheduled payments waiting in the background. Wise may block the Close Account button if anything is still in progress. If you see a message about pending activity, simply wait for it to complete or cancel it if it's no longer needed. Keep in mind that conversions can involve exchange rates and fees, so review the amounts before you confirm each move. Double-check your destination details to avoid delays or failed withdrawals. When your balances are all at zero and nothing is pending, go back to the Actions and Agreements section and select Close Account again. This time, you'll be able to proceed. Wise may ask you to confirm the decision and possibly share a brief reason. Read the on-screen notes so you understand what closing means, then confirm to finish. Once confirmed, your Wise account will be closed. If the button still isn't available, revisit your balances and pending items. There's almost always a small amount or an in-progress transfer holding things up. And if you ever get stuck, the Wise Help Center can point you to the exact requirement you still need to clear. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you close your Wise account with confidence.